Hello guys, today I've got a Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to fix that your earbuds automatically starts playing or pausing the music. So, this is most likely because of the touch controls and they may be just dirty. So, try to clean your earbuds at first. Take a soft cloth, maybe just a little sip of alcohol here and here, not a sip, with a little tap of alcohol, with a little tap of alcohol here and here, and wipe it away. These are both touch controls panels, and you need to touch control panels, and you need to clean them both here. If it didn't fix your issue, you need to check if it's not the player issue. So try changing the players. Like if you were using Spotify, try using Apple Music or some other YouTube Music, or just YouTube. And of course try switching phones, and this should fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, you need to contact the device support because your earbuds are probably broken. You may try to perform a factory reset, but I don't really think that it will fix something. Goodbye.